In a village wrapped in sunshine and smiles, lived a boy with a heart as sweet as jam. His name was Jack, but everyone called him Jackum because he didn't just like jam. He loved it. But one day, something magical happened, something that would take his jam-loving dreams to a whole new world of wonder. Once upon a time, in a peaceful little village, lived a boy named Jack. He loved jam more than anything in the world. Every morning, as he munched his toast, Jack would dream of swimming in a giant jar of jam. One sunny day, Jack spotted a sign that made his heart race, a chance to visit the secret jam factory. The next morning, a golden envelope arrived. Jack had been chosen. As the factory gates opened, Jack stepped into a world of jam-filled magic. Inside, jam flowed through pipes like rivers, and sweet smells danced through the air. Jack tasted jam after jam, each one yummier than the last. Then appeared Mr. Barrington, the master of jam himself. Mr. Barrington unlocks the door with a candy-shaped key and Jack peeks in curiously. Inside was a lake of jam, with toast boats bobbing on the surface. And there he was, Jack the Captain Jam of the Sweet Seas. As a thank you, Mr. Barrington gave him a special jam, just for Jack. From that day on, Jack became the village's official jam taster. And so, Jack's sweet little dream turned into the adventure of a lifetime. From toast boats to jam lakes, and a factory full of fruity magic, he discovered something truly special. That the world is full of surprises, especially when you follow your dreams. And every time he tasted jam, he'd smile and whisper, "Dreams are sweet, especially the jammy ones."